Welcome to the best pick. Are you tired of your clicks going to waste? It's time to level up your game with the top mechanical keyboards available. Now let's take a look at the best mechanical keyboards we choose for you. Number 4. When it comes to performance, this gaming keyboard delivers with the world's fastest gaming keyboard and exclusive Romer G mechanical switches for lightning-fast actuation. With 9 programmable G keys, you can create custom game macros for executing complex commands with speed and accuracy. Easily control your media and applications with the one-touch control panel integrated into the keyboard. Access the ARX Control app on your smartphone to analyze in-game data and utilize the docking station for instant data transfer. Logitech G910 Orion Spark combines reliability, cutting-edge technologies, and performance, making it the best mechanical keyboard for any gamer looking to enhance their online performance. What we like. If you are looking for a gaming keyboard that offers lightning-fast performance and customizable game macros, the Logitech G910 Orion Spark RGB mechanical gaming keyboard should be your top choice. With world's fastest gaming keyboard and exclusive mechanical switches, this keyboard is made for gamers who want to take their performance to the next level. What people say. Very impressed with this keyboard. Build quality is great, even though it's plastic, and it feels very solid. Not much flex when force is applied, and it has a wonderful soft touch rubber coating which looks to be impossible to leave fingerprints on. I was extremely skeptical about buying this keyboard. It has been a while since I've upgraded my gaming peripherals for my computer, but last time I went all Logitech and didn't regret it. So of course I turned to Logitech yet again for computer gaming peripherals because they treated me well the first time around. Number 3. This mechanical keyboard boasts 80 million keystrokes lifespan, ensuring unmatched durability for long hours of gaming. With 16.8 million color options, easily set through Razer Synapse, personalize your gaming setup to match your style. Synchronize your Razer peripherals for a seamless gaming experience across all devices. Featuring an ergonomic wrist rest, this keyboard provides comfort for extended gaming sessions. Become a part of Razer's loyal customer base and elevate your gaming experience with this exceptional peripheral. What we like. If you value durability and customization options in a mechanical keyboard, the Razer BlackWidow Chroma V2 is the perfect choice for you. With a lifespan of 80 million keystrokes and 16.8 million color options, this keyboard is designed for hardcore gamers who prioritize durability and comfortable gaming experience. What people say. It is the fastest keyboard I have ever typed on, the best gaming keyboard I have ever used. Easily the best keyboard that I have ever used. It's modern, has a pass-through for headphones and USB. The keys work great, just enough depth, a slight resistance when typing, with a satisfying click. Number 2. This mechanical keyboard was crafted by people who understand what gamers want in their peripherals. Featuring switches with 1.2mm actuation Cherry MX key switches for durability. Customize vibrant multicolor backlighting for a visually stunning experience. Enjoy full key rollover and anti-ghosting technology for precise control. The best mechanical gaming keyboard for any serious gamer, offering versatility and flexibility. What we like. For gamers who seek versatility and flexibility in a mechanical keyboard, the Corsair CH-9101014-NA is the ultimate choice. With faster actuation switches and durable key switches, this keyboard is perfect for gamers who value speed and durability in their peripherals. What people say. I've used a lot of keyboards and prefer gaming keyboards. They are made better, last longer, and the backlighting is ideal for working in darker rooms and specialized tasks. I'll color code the keys depending on my software, video editing, gaming, etc. Number 1. Designed with professionals in mind, the EagleTec FBA_KG010 gaming keyboard offers responsiveness, durability, and convenience for those who type a lot for a living. Whether you're a gamer or not, this keyboard is suitable for all. With features like ergonomic design and spill-resistant construction, it caters to various needs. Made with aircraft-grade aluminum and ABS, this keyboard ensures durability and reliability. The plate-mounted keys and switches offer precise actuation and tactile feedback. With 12 multimedia keys and interchangeable WASD and arrow keys, this keyboard provides versatility for both work and play. Whether you're a professional or a gamer, the EagleTec FBA_KG010 gaming keyboard is the perfect choice. Its exceptional mechanical switches deliver accuracy and responsiveness for all your needs. What we like. Whether you are a gamer or an office professional, the EagleTec FBA_KG010 gaming keyboard mechanical is the ideal choice for you. With responsive mechanical keys and a spill-resistant design, this keyboard offers durability and convenience for users in both gaming and office scenarios. What people say. It is now February 2020 and it still works, is still sturdy, and has given me no problems at all since I purchased it in 2016. It has taken a beating in the last 4 years and is still going as strong as it was the day I got it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.